What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video, man. An update on these bulls. Yep. I just fed them. They got clean water. They're doing good. That's what I've done so far, man. And I'm not done. I still got lots to do. Yeah. Yeah, these girls here are punished. They got out on me. They broke through the back gate and got out, man. They were lost for like 2 days. I'm glad I found them. So now they're locked up. I give them a little freedom because, you know, I don't like keeping them in the cage all day. So let them run around, you know, stretch their legs. But no, they take advantage of it. So now their asses are back locked up. They learn their lesson. So yeah, I did Wesley's little shade, little platforms. Almost done. He's got, maybe I need to finish that up, but I do want to leave a little spot of dirt for him so he could poop there. Because these girls, I mean, I left that little spot here and they poop on the dirt. They don't poop on the platform, so they know. They get down and they poop on the dirt. I still got roosters and closure to do too. But it takes time and money, man. So been busy with other stuff. Wes, good boy. So yep, I gotta get another plywood for Wes because it's been raining and I didn't have time to put one of those sheet metals like that I'm planning to put on there. And with all the rain, and it still needs more 2x4s from side to side to strengthen it. But since all that rain has been raining, it's already warping the plywood, if you see. So I'm gonna get a thicker and more stronger plywood for that. But for now, it's some shade for him. So he's got a little shade. And I still need to finish up his platforms. Man, I got lots to do back here. I'm planning to put maybe another kennel here next to the girls' kennel. And then another mini one here. Or let's see what happens, man. I might get a little building here for when the bitches are whelping. It'll be a whelping room. Yep. So this shit just takes time. I know I haven't posted in a while, man. I've just been so busy doing this and that. Yeah, I gotta clean up here too, but after everything's built that I want to build, then I'm gonna clean up all this metal here, these gates, this big old metal bars. I'm gonna use that to make a driveway gate there and close the whole thing. So yeah, I do all that stuff myself, so it take time. Yep. Yep, Shorty was in heat. What, like maybe last week? Well, the last 2 weeks she was in heat. I ate her with Bruno. Let's see if she takes, y'all. Either way, I really didn't want to. I wanted to give her a break. So if she takes, she takes. If she doesn't, she doesn't. That's okay. Either way, I mean, it is what it is. The one that I'm waiting on is Buffy. Well, actually, she ain't gonna be ready till maybe a year from now. She's what, like 14 months old? So she still got basically like a whole year to grow, man. And she's already as big as Mama. She's gonna be bigger than Mama. Yep. She's just like her dad, man. She gets allergies real bad. Like she's got skin allergies. She gets them real bad, man. Yep. She's just scratching and scratching because we're flea and tick free now. I got some strong stuff. I'll spray it all over the place, and I got my tick and flea repellent. So I mean, it's looking good. And those hot days are over with. I mean, it's a little hot right now, but not like it was in the hundreds, above the hundreds. We're all right. Shorty. So yep. Let's see if she takes, man. If not, no big deal. Yep. Cause Rooster, that's the one I'm planning to breed with. Buff. That's gonna be my breeding, my main. Cause I want a puppy out of this litter, maybe two. Yep. So yep. Yep, these girls were MIA on me, man. I thought I lost them. That's like the second time they get out and they're gone for like days. For 2 days. Last time they were gone for a whole day. That I gave up on them. I was mad, you know. I'm like, man, somebody got them. And one of my wife's family members said, hey, I seen 2 blue bullies running around over there in the park. We went over there to look for them, and sure enough, it was them. I guess they're scary looking. People were scared to go up to them. So I got lucky that time, and just yesterday not the day before they got out, and they were running around. I thought they were gone, man. I looked everywhere. And sure enough, I said, I'm gonna go look over here down the street by where there's people that keep horses and stuff over here. It's like a little mini farm. I went out there and they were running around. Yep. Shorty never gets out, but when Buffy gets out, there goes Shorty following her. We stick together. Mother and daughter. So yep. Wes. He just ate his breakfast, so he's like, I'm chilling, man, leave me alone. Yep. So I guess that's it, y'all. Yep, he's chilling in his doghouse. See him? He's off the chain, so he's been good, man. So that's pretty much it for today. Till next time.